Hello, good afternoon students. Today we are going to learn new topic in English grammar and the topic name is the ing verbs. Learning objectives, the ing form. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to form the ing form of a verb. Learn the rules to change the form of the verb before adding ing to it. And last, learn the uses of the ing form of the verb. A very common way of changing the form of a verb is by adding ing to it. It is a very common way of changing the form of verb just by adding ing to it. Examples. Here are some verbs: walk, jump, eat, catch. If we add ing to all these verbs, it becomes ing form of the verb. Walk become walking, jump, jumping, eat, eating, catch, catching. Here are some rules. Form the ing form of a verb by adding ing to the verb. We can just add ing to the verb to form the ing form of a verb. Here are some examples. Keep. Keep is a verb. We add ing, it become keeping. Do. We add ing, it become doing. Sing. We add ing, it become singing. Keeping is the ing form of the verb keep. Doing is the ing form of the verb do, and singing is the ing form of the verb sing. Second rule. For verbs that end in e, we drop the final e before adding ing to the verb. Those verbs which ends with alphabet e, in this verb we drop the last alphabet, that is e, and just add ing to these verbs. Examples. Close. Here we drop e and add ing. It becomes closing. Move. Again we drop e and add ing. It becomes moving. And last, share. Again we drop e and add ing to the verb share. It becomes sharing. In the case of some verbs, we double the last letter before adding ing to the verbs. In these verbs, the letter before the final letter is a single vowel. Here are some verbs. In these verbs, we just double the last alphabet and add ing to these verbs. Remember, these words this word has second last letter is a vowel. Examples. Fit. See, fit. F-I-T, fit. Last letter is T and second last is I. I is the vowel. That means the letter before the final letter is a single vowel. That is I. So we just double the last letter, that is fitting. F-I-T-T-I-N-G, fitting. Run. Run. The last letter before the final letter is the letter before the final letter is U. That's why we double the letter N. It become running. 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 Similarly, drop. The letter before the final letter is a vowel O. That's why we double the last letter. That is P. It become dropping. 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 Some common misspellings. You must be very careful while adding the letters ing to some verbs. There are some errors that often occur. Here are some verbs: pick, write, row. We add ing to the verb pick, it's become picking. But sometimes it's misspelled incorrectly, that is picking. PICKKING. Remember, the letter before the last letter is not a vowel, that is C. That's why we do not double the last letter. Again, right, we add ing. We drop E and add ing to it. It's become writing. Some incorrect spellings. Writing. Here again, the letter before the last letter is not a vowel. That's why we write as a WRITING. Writing. Row. We add ing and it become rowing. But some spells like rowing. Why? Because the letter before the final letter is not is vowel, but we do not double the W. Why? The reason is, keep in mind that the letter W, X and Y are never doubled. We never double the letter W, X and Y. Here is some exercise. See. Swim, write, win, study, shine, grow, bark and call. Swimming, we double the M because the letter before the last letter is I. Okay, so we double the last letter. Write, we drop E and add ing to it. Win, we double the letter N and add ing to it. Study, again we add ing to it. It becomes studying. Shine, we drop E and add ing to it. Grow, we do not double the letter W because W, X and Y is never doubled. Bark, we again add ing, it become barking, and call, it become calling. What we have learned: we form the ing form of a verb by adding ing to the verb. Second, for verbs that end in E, we drop the final letter E and we drop the final letter E before adding ing to the verb. Means, if some verb have the letter E at the end, we drop E and add ing to the verb. And last, in the case of some verb, we double the last letter before adding ing to the verb. In these verbs, the letter before the final letter is a single vowel. And keep in mind that the letter W, X and Y are never doubled. Hope you all understood the ing form of the verb. If you have any query, you can ask me. Thank you.